Hello everybody, welcome to another random hacking video of Ken's. So today we're going to go over a really good interesting topic, ransomware and cryptojacking. And to do that we're going to use an application called Hidden Tier Offline. This is actually a really cool open source application you can get on GitHub. And the reason I like it is because it's a very stripped down version of crypto locking. So you can actually see the code, understand what's going on, and easily manipulate it. And also it's built to be almost dummy proof so you don't accidentally encrypt your entire PC. So let's scroll down and actually look at some of the most important parts of the application so we can really get our heads wrapped around what's going on with these ransomware attacks. So the first part is we're using AES encryption, as you can see here. And we're going to use a 256-bit key size. And on top of that, this is where we're actually going to create our randomized password. So using this string of characters, you can manipulate this however you'd like. It's going to randomize it for a set length, and that's going to be what unencrypts all of the applications on the machine. Now, why this is important is this demonstrates why it's so hard to actually beat these ransomware attacks. Say, for instance, one weekend you get hit with WannaCry. If you pay and you get the unencryption key, if you try the next weekend, if you get hit again with WannaCry and you try that same key, it's going to fail because it's going to randomize the key the next time you get hit with the ransomware attack. So that's why it's so hard to help people. Even if you get a key one time, that key is going to be useless the next time the same attack happens. And then down here we have the extensions that we're going to look to attack. So you can manipulate this to whatever file extension your heart desires. And finally, the final piece that this doesn't have, but all actual ransomware malware will have, is a self-deleting proponent. And the reason this is in there is because somewhere within the application it has to let the application know where to send the unencryption key via either encrypted mail or to a web server somewhere. And by having that application stay on the PC, that can be backtraced to you. And if you're actually hacking somebody, you don't want to be traced or tracked. So normally a self-deleting function. But let's actually get into what the application itself looks like. So here I have it on a USB. There's two parts. We got the exe and then we have a random PDF. Normally these would be merged. This would be embedded in the PDF, but for demonstration purposes they're separate. So we'll run the exe. And as you'll see, it opens the PDF. And this is just a random PDF I grabbed online. Nothing special here. It can really be any PDF. And then in the background while that is open, this is when all of the documents are going to start getting encrypted. So we'll give that a minute here and we'll see all the documents there on the left side begin to turn white. And there we go. You can see our first documents changing, and there's the rest of them. So you'll notice the file extension for this is .locked, and as you'll see, they're all .locked now. And momentarily, we'll see the README text. There it is. The read it, I apologize. So this is normally where you would put your crypto wallet, so people can send you whatever kind of cryptocurrency you're asking for, Bitcoin, whatever. But since this is for education purposes, I just put a random blurb. Be careful when you're doing this at home. Don't ruin your PC. Now the big part of it I was talking about is how this is dummy proof. It actually sends you the encryption key wherever you point it. So I pointed it to the USB I'm running it on. And as you can see, we also stole the name of the computer and the user. You can also manipulate this to steal whatever information off the PC you want. Now at this point, we just have to run the decryptor. Enter that decryption key we just stole. And as you can see, everything's beginning to unencrypt. And when it's done, we'll get a good green light for files decrypted, and we're all good to go. There it is. And that's pretty much it for Hidden Tier. Go out, get it, download it off GitHub, Hidden Tier Offline, manipulate it, and have fun with it.